Right guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today's just a very short video. I'm just going to show you a couple of the plants that have come out, as well as some of the ferns, and just as you can see here guys, the azalea proper popped out now. Still got a few more to come out here guys, and I'll just show you a couple of the other ones that again have come out similar to this since the last video. Kind of nice guys, you can see the pairing, sort of a bit of a blue to the pink. Again, I kind of like the color contrast we're getting from that. You've also got the running Jenny down there, which is kind of like a goldeny kind of green. Again, you can see, guys, the contrast in colors. Some of the bluebells are out as well. I'm trying not to show you the middle of the garden, guys. We've kind of just unloaded the shed. Kind of doing a bit of a spring clear out at the moment here, guys. With that said, I'll leave that part out. Coming in here, guys, some of the ferns. A lot of the ferns, guys, have started really popping. You can just see here the new fronds coming out, really starting to come out nicely, guys. Always nice to see more down inside there. I'll take you over in a second to show you some of the other ferns around the pond area as well here. All right, so you can just see here the small Dixonia has now put out sort of 3 new fronds. You can see lovely color on these, such a bright sort of zingy green. It's still got a bit more to open, as you can see. These do kind of uncurl over time and kind of widen out. If it's your first one, don't be surprised if it looks kind of small in the beginning. Generally, they will kind of thicken out the fronds. A few new, you can see heads coming up there. Again, guys, coming over to here, just having a look at this one. Now, this is just off the bottom of the small water feature there. You can just see loads of new fronds. It's quite interesting how they come out, sort of unrolling, sort of a different type of dryopteris here. Following from that, guys, if you have a look at this one, again, really popping up nicely here. It's always cool, I think, this time of year, guys, when you do see these kind of coming up and, the kind of life and how quickly they kind of, unfurl. You can watch it day by day, and it's quite interesting to see. And, a bit of excitement in the garden, guys, when it comes to, kind of the spring show, not just flowers, but again, guys, this is why I love the ferns in the garden. I think, they really can change the look of a garden as well. Let me just show you a few others. Right guys, so here you can see this is the large dryopteris off the back of the pond and stream area. And if I just come in here, guys, again, you can see this whole head has started to lift now. Got a few of them uncurling here. Just as we come down the jungle path, guys, we did add a lupin in. Again, not really a jungle plant necessarily, but I do like the foliage on these, and, lovely flower show when it does come out. Down here, again, guys, one of the small ones you can see popping out again, up to the large tree fern. And we've got one just coming out there. You can see that little green bit coming out from the knuckle. As we come down here, guys, you can see this one as well, starting to put out some new fronds down. So this is one of the small Dixonias, has actually done really, really well. One uncurling here, you can see. A lot of the old stuff, guys, on the ferns is, of course, sort of died off a bit. That will get, I'll wait till that either browns off completely or until we get a full new flush, and then I may trim that off. Again, I leave it on. It benefits the plant, really, until it's dark brown. Just coming around here, guys. As we come down, I'll come up to have a look in the center here. And again, guys, if you haven't seen from previous video, we did lift this stone here. So certainly check out some of the previous water feature builds as well if you haven't yet. Just coming around here, as you can see, this one here, lovely little bits coming out. This one, again, sending out its first knuckle. So always nice to see that there. And again here, guys, you can just see that one as well. So with that said, yeah, just, really great to see the ferns are starting to kind of wake up a bit. Always nice on that side here. Again, guys, we've also planted, you can see, I think it's a saxifraga. I'm sure I've got that wrong, but it will be a sort of perennial, or it should be evergreen ground cover on that side as well. But with that said, guys, yeah, just really brief video today. Wanted to show you some of the ferns. One more here to show you, which I think is kind of a cool way of opening up. You can just see Very interesting little ferns here. But yeah, with that said, guys, yeah, just a quick update on the ferns and things like that. Just before we go, if you have made it this far, I will show you briefly the Scotch broom, which has come out into full flower. And if you have made it this far, put a comment down about Scotch broom in the comment section for me, okay? So as mentioned here, the two Scotch brooms off the back of the mini golf course, guys. Lovely contrasting colors on these. I love this when it does come into the kind of summer show. Again, really, really pretty. It does grow very, very quickly. So after the first bloom, I will be trimming this all back as well. But with that said, guys, yeah, of course, if you've made it this far, certainly check out the friends of the channel. If you're not subscribed already, certainly feel free to do so. I've got a lot of new content coming out. I'm trying to balance it a bit between some of the pond stuff as well as the gardening. So just a bit of an overall, just if you guys are, interested in all of that. But certainly check all that out, guys. And with that said, of course, subscribe, drop us a comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.